Good morning, guys. Today is a Monday. It's usually the start of the week for me, but yeah, it's going to. Yun naman, good ka nag-vlog pa ka ba? Nag-vlog ko balik because I miss vlogging so much. I miss the filming and the editing part of it. I also have nothing else fruitful to do in my life. You know, when I moved to this place, I was really hopeful. I was very optimistic. However, things happened, and it it affected me. Charot. It affected my capacity to be able to vlog and to be creative. And I realized the more that I do not do things that I really like, things that I really want to do, the more na nagiging tiring yung life ko, the more I get unmotivated to do anything doing else. My makeup as early as now. Wait, anong oras na ba? It's 8:07. So, yun. I will be running a couple of errands today. I also have work to do before I finally rest for the day so that I can work straight tonight. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. Babalik ko na galing sa labas and dumating yung delivery ko from TikTok. Alam niyo ako na bumili sa TikTok. And this is, actually hindi ko na nga alam kung ito mga, blush and lipstick and lip gloss. Ang dami kong ginastos last month. I decided na for this month, hindi ako gagastos. Actually, kasalanan ko din yun kasi hindi kasi talaga ako nagtatrack ng spending ko. And I was caught by surprise. Nung sabi ko, I finally decided na, tingnan ko kaya kung ano yung mga pinagkakagastos ko. Wrong ang phrasing. Pero, yun, I was really surprised. I was like, oo, grabe yung mga gastos ko for last month. And yeah, itong order na to from O2O, it actually is still parang, anong tawag dito? Parang they are produkto pa rin siya ng mga pinaggagastos ko last month. So, we are going to try this out. Doing my makeup, this is what we came up with. So yeah, feeling ko masyadong intense yung lipstick for like every day. Feeling ko for someone like me who is not really going to work or not going to an event, I think the lip shade, I don't feel right about the lips, but I'm gonna go ahead and keep it dito sa lips ko. Anyway, this shade is from O2O. This is in shade number 4. Pagluluto lang ako ng breakfast and then I'll get back to you guys.
Sobrang grabe yung makeup sa mata ko na may pasak-pasak pa ako.
Home from grocery shopping. Actually, hindi. That was a lie. Kanina pa yun. Pero pagkadating ko kasi, humiga-higa ako ng konti kasi I was trying to analyze kung matutulog pa ba ako or gigising pa ba ako kasi ang pasok ko is at 10:30 and it's already 9. Nauwi ako ng mga 7:30 plus, ganun yata. So, yun. I thought I still have time. At the same time, natatakot akong baka hindi ako magising on time because that happened to me once. And I don't want for that to happen again. So, I'll just suffer through the night. I will be showing you the things that I bought sa grocery para masaya. I got the Philippine brand coconut vinegar. Ayan, ito. This is actually coconut and mango vinegar and I like it so much. Dati yung binibili ko was sukang pinakurat and I still like it actually. However, aside from walang sukang pinakurat ngayon, I noticed that sukang pinakurat is very expensive and this is a good alternative. I also got myself the Great Taste Premium Classic kasi wala na akong instant coffee. I actually have coffee beans that I use for brewing, but I still have some here. I think aabutin pa to ng weekend, so I decided not to buy yet kasi yun nga, nagtitipid ako. I'm trying not to spend a lot. So yeah, yung instant coffee naman, I use it for when I feel like um I want to just to drink instant coffee. Yung parang ayoko na ng hassle of brewing coffee, ganon. So, I go for the instant coffee and I go for Great Taste. I honestly think Great Taste tastes better than Nescafe. I also got myself Creme Top. Ang mahal na nito ngayon. This is 109 pesos plus. I saw kanina. Pero, I like this better. I like this better than Coffee Mate. Kasi na-try ko yung Coffee Mate lately, yung pinaka-recent na version ng Coffee Mate, and I didn't like it. It's too sweet for my liking. I like this better. Bumili din ako ng beans, Baguio beans, and ito yung kaisa-isang beans na nabili ko kasi, gulay na nabili ko kasi, bati man ang gulay, uy. And this is for 21 pesos na, guys. Ano na? It's in times like this na talagang wini-wish ko talaga that I live in Baguio City. It's the main reason why I want to move there. The Mega Tuna Flakes Spanish style. This is my favorite Spanish style tuna. Ewan ko, anything mega, parang malaki yung tiwala ko. Wala akong nabiling meat masyado kasi nung pumunta ako dun, naghipos na sila, te. Mga 7 plus pa lang yun, hindi pa 7:30, mga around 7:15. Naghipos na ang taga-karne, uy. So, hindi na lang ako bumili ng meat kasi I don't wanna bother them din. Like, I don't want them to get out of their way to assist me. So, bumili na lang ako ng frozen meat. I got here the Virginia honey cured bacon. This is 200 grams. I also got here the Oneraha Foods. Ano to? Wait, this is Cebu chorizo and I really like this. Actually, masarap to. Selecta Farm fresh milk. Ay, natagalan ako sa paghanap ng Arla. Ang binibili ko kasi yung Arla na organic something. Organic. Yung color brown, hindi ko siya makita. So, ito na lang yung binili ko. I also got myself the Maxi Peel Facial Cleanser. Ayan. Sabi nila hindi daw ito magandang gamitin. Yung mga gantong mga basic na mga cleanser. Sabi sa TikTok, hindi daw siya magandang gamitin. Pero, wala. Mas gusto ko siyang gamitin eh. So, I got this. I got this for 40 plus pesos. Tapos, so yun. Gagamitin ko siya. Cheers. Cheers ka. Coffee. Coffee, babe. Ano, coffee. Here's my cat. Sabihin mo hi. Hello! Hello everyone! My lunch, I'm gonna be having chorizo. Kasi ang tagal ko nang hindi nakakain ng chorizo. So, parang buti lang nakita ko to. Ayan. I'm just gonna grab 2. Tapos, I'll put this back sa fridge. Okay, so here is my food. 2 chorizo, 1 itlog, tsaka itong quinoa. Tada! Charot. Tada. Kain tayo. I just got home and kanina pa nag-end yung work ko, but I had to get out of the house even though I didn't want to kasi kailangan bumili ng cat food. Anyway, so here is all the cat, joke lang, hindi cat food to lahat. I'm so happy kasi napadaan ako sa local market. So I was able to buy a couple of fruits and vegetables. Pinangako ko sa sarili ko na hindi ako gagastos ng marami, but natatakot ako na baka I think actually sumobra na ako sa 1.5 na budget ko for the week. So hopefully hindi ako like mag-grocery shopping for more than a week. These are the vegetables that I bought from the local market. I got 2 radish. I also got myself a pack of calamansi. 20 niti. Nine pieces ng calamansi for 20 pesos. I also got some green leafy vegetables here. So, siya kay, anong tawag dito? Alugbati. I got alugbati kasi, gusto ko yung alugbati. Kasi green leafy vegetable nga kasi siya. Tapos, nagkalat ito. Bumili rin ako ng, cabbage. Hoy, kalat ba? Itong sari-sari. I got this for 20 pesos. Bibilisan ako ng 2, but then I thought baka hindi ko siya masyadong magustuhan kasi malalaki yung chunks. Tapos marami yung ampalaya niya, so isa na lang muna. Hindi naman sa ayoko ng ampalaya. Ayoko lang masyado yung ampalaya na hindi siya niluluto kasama yung itlog. Like, you know. Tapos bumili rin ako ng ilang pirasong sibuyas. So, I bought all this for 170 pesos. Nung mga katagalan, a couple of meters away from there, may nakita na naman akong stall. So, I bought from there too kasi may nakita akong mais. Oh my gosh. Ang dami ko nang na-miss out na mga fruits and vegetables just because I live in Talamban. If you are in Cebu City, you know that Talamban is actually, medyo malayo na siya sa city center. So, since dumating ako dito, parang nahihirapan ako talagang maghanap ng tamang source of fruits and vegetables. Although, if I think about it now, I think hindi naman kasalanan ng lugar. Ayoko lang talagang lumabas ng bahay at mag-explore. Delete Dora the Explorer. Okay. But anyway, so here, I got this pack of yellow corn to 4, hindi ko alam ba. 7 pieces for 50 pesos. I love yellow corn. Tapos bumili rin ako ng saging, half a kilo of banana. This is, ngalan ganan eh. This is lakatan. And this is for 50 pesos. Ang mahal, grabe. 100 na pala yung kilo ng saging. Nung last time na bumili ako nito, which is hindi ko na maalala, this was only for, tumatakbo siya from 40 to 60 pesos. Pag 65 siya, ang mahal niya na. Ngayon 100 na siya. Tapos hindi pa siya like ganun ka, hindi ganun, alam niyo yun. So, yeah. Hindi ko alam kung magkano tong papaya, but I got myself papaya. May talong sila dun. So, bumili na rin ako ng talong kasi gusto kong gumawa ng eggplant salad. Cherels! Wala naman siyang mga butas. Wala naman siyang mga hard parts. So, this is good. So, para naman dito sa kanila, I paid 206 pesos. Tapos pumunta ako ng Robinsons para bumili ng cat food. Ito yung cat food na binibili ko, Goodest. And I was so disappointed kasi yung flavor na gusto ni Bebby wala doon. Kaya lang, she needs her cat food. Hindi ko na alam kung ano ipapakain ko sa kanya. Kasi kung hindi cat food, isda yung kinakain niya. And recently, nag-close yung tindahan ng isda dito sa amin. So I was like, we were like, Beb. She was like, meow. I was like, yeah. So, wala kaming magawa. And then, I saw this Whiskas Tasty Mix. I'm not sure kung magugustuhan niya ba to kasi ayaw niya ng Whiskas. Feeling ko kasi masyado siyang naaalatan. So, she prefers Goodest. Juicy. Bumili ako ng 10 kasi just to make sure. Yun, kasi parang nangangayayat na yung baby ko. Ayaw niya nang kumain. Bumili din ako ng oyster sauce. Para gamitin ko pang luto. I also got some whole black pepper kasi paubos na yung black pepper ko. I got Yakult. Uy, grabe ang Yakult eh. As in, last time ako bumili ng Yakult, 35 nito. Sabi ko, ang mahal na ng Yakult. Sabi ko ganun. Kasi nga, 50 na siya. Isang ganito, 50. Sabi ko, grabe naman yan, 50. Eh, di dalawahin natin. O, diba? Grabe. Sa 100 mo dati, you will already have like 3 sets of 5 Yakults. O, tama. Tapos ngayon, dalawa na lang sila. Grabe ka mahal. Tapos, bumili na rin ako ng meat. Para para sure. Bumili na rin ako ng meat kasi wala na akong meat talaga. So, kain na lang ako ng canned goods, ganun. Yun. Bumili ako ng chicken liver from Bounty Fresh. This is for 188 pesos. 1 kilo to. Alam kong may mga tao na hindi mahilig sa atay ng manok. Pero, gusto ko yung atay ng manok. Okay lang siya. I love it. I also got some ground pork. 1/4 ito. This is for 72 pesos and 50 cents. And adobo cat. Ayan. So, yeah, I'm really hoping na hindi ko to paano makakabot mo kung pagkaon in 1 week? Hanggang ngayon ba, gihapon ko, hindi ko talaga pa rin maintindihan kung bakit ang laki ng gastos ko sa groceries. For last month, I spent 8,000 pesos for groceries. Like, I don't think that's normal. Kasi iisang tao lang ako, tapos yung kasama ko sa bahay, pusa siya. So, I need to do something about it. So, ayun. So, I'm hoping na dahil dito sa dami ng pinamili ko, saros, sana makatipid ako. Sana hindi. What if, muhunong day tagkaon? Anyway, that's it for this video. I don't know what to say. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. If you don't like to subscribe, do not subscribe. But if you can subscribe, I'll really appreciate that. Comment down below. I don't know what's going on with me. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next vlog. I'll see you. Friends mo, Beb? Hindi ka nga yan, friends niya.